Spring is finally here, so we are ditching the heavy clothing and layering with lighter pieces. Sometimes we have great pieces in our wardrobe but need help mixing and matching them together. So today I have 6 outfit formulas that work great for the spring. And for this video, I pulled a lot of inspiration from Pinterest. So let's be honest, Pinterest is like the holy grail of fashion. If you're a fashion girl, you know Pinterest has a lot of outfit inspirations. These are looks I keep coming back to because they're just so easy to put together. The great part is you can actually mix and match these pieces together to create even more outfits. Let's get right into it. Our first formula is a combination of a blazer, denim pants, and slingback heels. Now, this is my go-to formula when I want to instantly look polished without overthinking it. So for this outfit, the blazer brings some serious energy, while the denim keeps it casual and effortless. If you love neutral aesthetics and minimalist fashion like me, then a black or a neutral colored blazer would be your best pick. Otherwise, any color will do. A slightly oversized blazer, which is my preference, completely shifts the vibe of the outfit to a more cooler, a more effortless, and more modern look. A classic light blue jeans works just fine, or you can get a darker blue jeans for a more refined look. As for shoes, these slingback heels are perfect. They're elegant, they're modern, and they're very easy to walk in. A silk maxi dress is one of those pieces that looks effortlessly stylish with minimum effort. It is such a fluid fabric that drapes the body beautifully and adds a lot of movement and sensuality. So to balance that softness, it is layered over a button-down shirt, vintage-inspired blouses, or even a light cardigan. The mix of textures on this outfit creates such a great contrast that feels both polished and relaxed. This is such a great example of a transitional outfit for those sunny but cold spring days. Strappy sandals complete the look and adds an effortless elegance to this outfit, making it feel light, relaxed, and seasonally fresh. This has come to stay. It is everywhere. It's been trending for years, because it is a combination of some of the most basic pieces of clothing. Denim on denim is another way to look effortlessly cool without overthinking, and matching denim shades is bold, is intentional, and it just works. So the key here is to keep the fit relaxed, nothing too tight, nothing too stiff. The matching denim creates a seamless and a monochrome base that feels super elevated but is totally effortless. These mules add a warm contrast against the blue color without overpowering the look, and let's be real, they are way more comfortable than heels, but they still feel polished. And then we have the raffia bag. So this is what takes the outfit from denim overload to spring ready. So the woven texture instantly lightens things up and makes it feel fresh. I love this outfit formula. It is simple, it is effortless, and it's trendy. A white button-down shirt and pair of tailored pants can look really basic, but it gives this effortless, I have my life together vibe. It looks put together, it's classy. This outfit combination gives this quiet luxury aesthetic without trying. The key here is the fitting and the styling. If you go for a classic structured button-down shirt, it gives you that sharp and corporate vibe. A slightly oversized button-down shirt gives that effortless look, while the tailored pants bring some structure. Let's talk about the tailored pants. So you want a pair that is a little bit high-waisted and slightly loose for that relaxed feel. Tailored pants instantly elevate any outfit, okay? You can just throw on a basic white t-shirt and a button-down shirt and you still look put together. As for shoes, I think a wide variety of shoes will work with this outfit. Loafers work well with this outfit. Flat shoes like ballerinas and ballet flats work well with this outfit as well. But my personal favorite will be some kitten heels or slingback heels. To finish the look, I'll keep the accessories really simple. gold jewelry, maybe structured tote bag, and a pair of sunglasses for that extra mysterious effect. Now, this is one of those outfits that works perfectly for any occasion: brunch, work, casual dinner, or even a day out with your friends. Every fashion girl knows that a trench coat is an important piece for the spring. It is lightweight, it is classic, it is basic, but it elevates any outfits and makes you look instantly polished. This formula will always work. This is one of those outfits that is so easy to put together when you have no idea of what to wear. A simple white t-shirt works all the time. That is why it is a wardrobe staple for the spring. It also adds a relaxed touch to this outfit. As for the denim, I noticed a straight cut ankle length works perfectly for this outfit formula. The trench coat just pulls everything together and gives us the elegant, stylish spring look. And then we have the loafers. They are stylish, they are comfortable, they are chic, and they just add the right amount of structure to balance out this outfit. I love that they work for almost any occasion: running errands, regular city walks, coffee dates. This outfit formula is proof that simplicity is stylish. There's something about silk that is just so feminine, so soft. I don't know. So this outfit is for those days when you want to feel feminine and classy without sacrificing comfort. A silk skirt moves so beautifully and instantly makes you look more dressed up, even if you're just wearing a simple cardigan on top. This outfit formula works with any color palette, but I think soft neutrals and pastels make it very dreamy. You can add a structured bag or a crossbody bag and you're ready to go. For this look, you can wear the cardigan as a top, buttoned up or tucked in for a very sleek look. Or you can go for something more effortless, like leaving it unbuttoned over a tank top or camisole for a feminine look. As for shoes, honestly, most flat shoes will complement this look very well. Ballerinas to keep it timeless, Mary Jane's for a vintage Parisian-inspired look, even loafers. And I find that most people style this over sneakers, which works very well for a much more casual vibe. So there you have it, 6 easy outfit formulas to make your spring dressing and styling so easy and effortless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more styling videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye.